Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your VPN experience, unlock free internet, or bypass network restrictions, today's video is exactly what you need. We're diving into how to find SNI, server name indication, for all countries and all VPN types. Perfect for apps like HTTP Injector, TLS, SSH, V2Ray, and more. Before we begin, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. We are not responsible for any misuse of the information provided. Now let's get started. To begin, open any browser on your device and go to the website kets.com or just search for KetsEZ SNI host generator on Google. It should be the first result. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you see SNI bug host generator. Tap or click that. Now it's time to choose your country. Click on the drop-down list where it says select a country. The tool supports almost every country you can think of. Choose the one where you're located or where you want your VPN to connect. For this demo, I'll select Singapore, but you can choose any country you prefer. Once selected, scroll down and click on Generate. After you click Generate, you'll see a list of SNI hosts or bug host names that work in your selected region. Pick any of the working SNI hosts from the list. Just tap and copy. You can now use this SNI with HTTP Injector, TLS Tunnel, Stunnel, V2Ray, Trojan, and many other tunneling VPNs. Configurations that support TLS SSL handshake, especially with networks that restrict access. This method helps you bypass firewalls, trick the ISP, and connect securely without any interruption. Some common apps where this trick works great include HTTP Injector, HTTP Custom TLS Tunnel, SOCKS IP Tunnel, Dark Tunnel, Netmod VPN, and many more. And that's it. That's how you find SNI for any country, for any VPN, easily in just a few steps. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more VPN tutorials, tricks, and config guides. Until next time, stay connected, stay safe, peace.